Well, one of the people put on evacuation notice in Clinton is Rick Billay. He owns a restaurant in the village, but he says he's not leaving. He joins us right now from Clinton itself. So, Rick, thank you for joining us today. Before we get into the discussion, let's get a clarification here. You've been given an evacuation order, but it's not mandatory for you, and that's the reason why you're staying?
Correct. They can ask you to leave, and they try and talk you into leaving. Most of the village has left. I have chosen to stay because we are a restaurant and we have food here. So we're here to support the community. If anybody that's just stayed behind requires food, we just chose that that's what we'd like to do.
So you're staying behind to help the members of your community should they actually need the help of food, as you're saying. But if people are leaving the town, why stay?
Well, because not everybody's left. There's a few people staying back, and I'll give you an example. To the front of us and back of us, we have fire trucks that are parked here for structural support, and these guys are working long, hard days, and we're going to run them out some food just to show them our thanks, so we're going to go give them a bit of a treat later.
And I think we actually have some of the images from your Facebook page of the fire trucks around your restaurant. As you say, they're there, so you're going to try to give them food if they actually need the help. Walk us through, paint us a picture here. Just how far away are the flames from your restaurant in the village, though?
I would say approximately 2 to 3 kilometers. There's one forested large hill that stands in between the fire and us at the moment, to my information. The fire did calm down last night because of the humidity and the coolness, but they're worried that it's going to flare up again because it's going to get hot and windy this afternoon. So that's what they're getting ready for. They've been filling water tankers and water bladders all over town strategically. They have fire trucks around the town strategically for hot spots from embers is what they're worried about.
Are you not concerned for your own safety?
Not till the fire's on my doorstep. Our building is an old building. It's got a clay roof, and we're good for a bit here. We're going to stay till it gets really close. And
who will you listen to? The firefighters around you? Once they start moving out, you'll move out with them? Is that what you have planned right now? Yeah. Like the fire, they're parked right across from me right now, so we're talking all the time. I'm also in contact with the information officer at the fire camp. We talk every couple of hours, and they're letting me know what's going on so I can pass on accurate information. Like, they're telling me, there's approximately 14 to 17 helicopters working the fire, approximately 4 water bombers, and the camp has about 400 ground crew, stuff like that. So it's very pertinent information, and when it gets really dangerous, they'll give me a heads up, and that's when we'll leave. Like, I'm hooked up. My trailer's hooked up, and we're good to go, so we can leave at a moment's notice. What's foremost in your mind right now? Are you worried about your safety? Are you worried about your business? What happens to the town? What is your greatest worry at this moment? It's generalized. I love this community, and I'm really worried about the community and the buildings and everything about it, because, we're a tourism community, and right now we've lost that because of these fires. And so right now, it's an old town and it needs to be safe, so I'm just here to help out and be part of the team.